Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we are going to be learning how to create an optimized project plan with the help of ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is an AI website. Currently, it has the beta plan and you're able to get content that is artificially generated, and we are going to be putting ChatGPT to task to see how we can create optimized project plan with the help of the same. So to do that, to register for ChatGPT, you will need your email address and of course you'll need your phone number for verification, and then you register. However, you need to know that it is free for now, but things keep on changing. So maybe by the time we are registering, you may need to check on that. So I'll be leaving the link to the ChatGPT in the description of this video. That is chat.openai.com. and you'll be able to access that. So once you register, you'll be brought to this homepage. And now down here where we have send a message, that's where you give prompts. One thing you need to notice about ChatGPT, the more details you give in your prompt, then the more accurate answer you will get. So you need to be very detailed in your prompt so that you're also able to get the exact thing that you need for your answer. Now, down here, we are going to give ChatGPT a task to create an optimized project plan in tabular form for a video recording and editing project. So I'll type that, create a project plan in tabular form for a video recording and editing project. I'll then click on this arrow for send a message. And you notice now that ChatGPT is generating for us a project plan for a video editing and for a video recording and editing project. So it's generating, and it also gives us a disclaimer to note that the duration provided are just placeholders and can be adjusted based on specific requirements. So let's look at what it has generated as a project plan. So here we have the task, description, start date, end date, and duration. We have the project initiation, defines the project objectives, scope and deliverables, and identify the key stakeholders and establish project team. Then we have pre-production, we have video recording, we have footage review, we have video editing, we have review and feedback, and then we have finalize and deliver, and then we have project, and then we have project closure. Now, I already like it, but what if I want more details on this? For instance, for the project initiation, it is just open. Who is in charge of this? So to do that, I can give another prompt here, and ChatGPT is able to rely on what it has generated, so I don't have to retype everything. Maybe I'll just say add assigned to column, then I just click on send message so that it's able now to generate an updated version of the project with assigned to column. You notice now here we have it. We have the same task, then we have assigned to, and it is generating up to the end. So you now notice on this side, you notice now on this side, we have assigned to, in this case, project manager, video producer, videographer, video editor, and all that. So if I still want it to keep on generating more columns, I can give it another prompt to give me another column with cost. So I'll give the prompt, add a column for cost. Then I'll click on that. And I see what ChatGPT will do. It will update my version and it will have the cost column here. So I can stop generating, but I don't want it to stop in this case. But I'll just wait for it to complete this. But you notice we already have our column for cost here. And once you add anything, it gives you a disclaimer again. assigning cost to each task allows you to estimate and track the budget for the video recording. So it gives you some extra details, and then the disclaimer is the costs provided are just placeholders, which is still good enough so that my work will be simply as a project manager. I'll just be here to edit these costs. So if I feel maybe I need subtasks, such that for project initiation, I need a subtask here. And for video recording, which is a wide thing, and it's someone on the lights and it's someone on the mics and all that, I can still tell it that for the tasks, kindly provide the subtask. Then I'll click on send so that we see how it's going now to divide the subtasks here. So you notice what it is doing. It's now providing subtasks for each of the tasks that we had given. And if maybe I wanted to generate only 2 subtasks for each task, I will just give that as the prompt for the task. So there it is. So let me scroll up and look at the task and the subtask. So this is the task here, project initiation, and then we have the description here. For defining the project objectives, we have all these subtasks under that. So if I'm satisfied with this one, and remember I can still keep on giving it more details up to the end. But if I'm now satisfied with this, I can simply click on that, select all that. I can simply select all of it up to the end, and then I click on copy. Then I'll open an Excel document, and then I'll click on paste. And there we have it. Then I'll delete this first statement. I don't need this one. So then now my work is simply to just drag these items so that I can just have a very clear table. Just like that. For the task, I just drag that. For the end dates, I just drag that. For the duration, I just drag that. Assigned to, and then for the cost here. So you now notice even for the cost, we have everything there. So you now notice we have a well done project plan, and it's so easy for me now to come and edit all this. Maybe for the project initiation, I want it to just be 1 day. I simply come there and type 1 day. Assigned to, in this case, I want to give a specific name. It's assigned to John and Jane. I just type that. The cost, $500. So I can put this to be $750. And then I can just keep on editing all the other tabs. So you notice with this, I was able to develop something so quickly, and I just used prompts on ChatGPT. I hope this has been helpful. That is how you create an optimized project plan with the help of ChatGPT artificial intelligence. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.